I'm not the kind to express my feelings verbally. Instead, I prefer to express them with actions. However, today is an exceptional day. The day to step out of my comfort zone and tell you how I truly feel.
If I could be honest, here in this moment, I've been so nervous to stand here with you. Yes, they can hear us, but they don't understand.
I knew that I belonged to you since the beginning. You captivated me in so many ways since we met 7 years ago. You are undoubtedly the love of my life. Your affection is clearly shown by how you treat Bella, our cat, so caring and so attentive. I appreciate how you can compromise with me, especially with this goldfish memory of mine during stressful situations.
Tomorrow I'll open my eyes and I will whisper to my wife, I belong to you. And I will wait to hear you say, as a tear rolls down your face, I belong to you.
To my now life partner, we have gone through quite a journey together. We've made beautiful memories filled with joy, laughter, family, friends. I will be a source of calm on your sad days, and I will make the good days shine bright. But no matter in what day you are in, I am yours.
I will say I do.
I'm grateful to you for all that you've done. I'm deeply excited to dive into this next part of our journey together. Inshallah, we will write it ever so beautifully. You calm me, you understand me, and you are clear and honest with me. I get to love you, and it's the best thing that I'll ever do. You are my best love, and forever I am yours.
You are the source of my calm, you help my days shine even brighter. And for an infinite number of reasons, I believe Allah has destined us to be as one, and inshallah, we will last until the end of time.